Guys, look at this disaster. My room was basically the set of a horror movie. And now it's sparkling clean. And guess what? It only took me 5 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? Stick around and I will show you how to pull this off. Let's go. If you are a student like me with juggling assignments, deadlines and probably too many Netflix web series to watch, in that sense cleaning your room can feel like climbing the Mount Everest. But guess what? I have cracked the code. The hack gets it done fast. No excuses, no procrastination. Are you ready? Let's do this. Here are the quick 5 steps. Set your timer for 5 minutes and let's dive in. Step number 1. Target the monster spot. We all have that one area where the mess multiplies. Mine, my desk, papers, random snacks and wait. Is that my phone charger under the bag of chips? Tackling this first gives me an instant win and a confident boost. Plus, it makes the rest of the room feel way easier. What's your monster sport? Comment below. I am curious to know. Step number 2. The grab and throw game. Take a basket or a bag or honestly just your arms and scoop up everything that is out of place. Clothes, books, random socks. Don't overthink it. Just grab and dump. And if you find a socks that's been single longer than you, then don't worry, it's probably happy being independent. Step number 3. Hit the reset button. Make your own bed. Making your bed is like the pressing reset on your entire room. It's super quick and makes everything else look 10x better. Plus, it's a foolproof way to trick your brain into thinking you are a responsible adult, even if you are not. Step number 4. Swipe right on the clean surfaces. Grab a cloth or a wet wipe and swipe away the dust that's been quietly judging you. You don't need to be perfect, just make it look fresh. Bonus, use a scented cleaner for that. Pro tip, don't accidentally inhale the dust. So now you are into the final step. Step number 5. Swipe it all up. It's time for the finishing touch. Sweep or vacuum up all the crumbs, scraps and mystery items lurking on the floor. Once the floor is clean, the job feels done. That's it, game over. Boom, in just 5 minutes, you have gone into cozy from the chaos. High five yourself and to me as well. Thank you everyone, this was for today. This is your Inertia Anish. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have probably a messed up room today, then don't forget to comment it in the comment section. Then what are you waiting for? Get your room cleaned in 5 minutes. Catch you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you are a student like me with jog if this hack get it done fast. Boom.